Understanding, letting out steam, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, letting out steam. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations. Our goal is to unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Let's get started. Letting out steam is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of expressing one's feelings or emotions, especially anger or frustration, in a way that does not harm anyone. It often implies finding a safe or harmless outlet for pent-up emotions. Imagine a steam engine releasing steam to prevent overheating. Similarly, people let out steam to avoid being overwhelmed by their feelings. The phrase, letting out steam, has its roots in the Industrial Revolution when steam engines were a common sight. These engines needed to release steam to maintain pressure and prevent explosions. Metaphorically, this concept was applied to human emotions, suggesting that people also need to release emotional pressure to maintain their well-being. Let's look at a few examples to understand how to use letting out steam in everyday conversation. After a long week at work, I go boxing on the weekends to let out some steam. She was really frustrated with her project, so she decided to let out steam by writing about her experiences. Sometimes, just talking to a friend about what's bothering you can be a great way of letting out steam. These examples show that letting out steam can be used in various contexts, highlighting activities or actions taken to relieve stress or emotional tension. Letting out steam is crucial for maintaining mental health and emotional balance. It prevents the buildup of stress, anger, or frustration, which can lead to negative outcomes if not addressed. Finding healthy ways to express emotions can improve one's quality of life and relationships with others. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, letting out steam, and its importance in our daily lives. Remember, finding constructive and harmless ways to express your emotions is key to emotional well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Take care and keep learning.